Hey, yes, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's Atom video update for 16 December, Thursday. Very quickly, if you're not into the Signal channel, join the Signal group. The link is in the description for the Discord as well. Now, this is for the first time that I'm going to be talking about Atom, and people have been requesting for Cosmos as well. And now, the first things first, guys, this yellow thing that you see right now is a demand zone, right? People are demanding for the prices to come down here so that they can buy right there. And in my opinion, we should start buying Atom as well. Now, I did give a signal for Atom as well some few days ago, which we bought a little bit higher, nearly the $24, but we're looking for Atom to actually continue for its parabolic move next towards the upside. Now you can already see how this was consolidating here, then broke down, and because of Bitcoin and that Wyckoff distribution, which continued, and then we went up to nearly $42, and now we're already down. So how much did we drop from the all-time high from there to there? This is going to be like 53% drop from this zone. And look at that beautiful yellow box right now that it has already come inside info. But one thing that I want to tell you is that there's still resistances. Okay, I'm gonna show you that sort of resistance right there. Yeah, there are, it hasn't really broken out of this resistance. Now there was a huge fake out. Look at that breakout and then a fake out. So I'm expecting in the next coming few days that we actually see this one going up there. I'm actually going to remove this yellow box because you already know what this yellow box is going to be used for. Yeah, so I'm just gonna select on it and delete that. Now you can already see that we were making a channel, and this is a down channel like that. So it's like a slide, and the prices are going all the way down. Yeah, so we are trying to climb out of that channel and then backtest and continue towards the upside. Now I'm just gonna dive into the weekly time frame as well, not on the monthly, on the weekly here. Yes, on the weekly time frame. Right, so where did we go and find resistance and support? I'm gonna take the fibs from this, April dump there, probably from here to there, and it seems like we came very, very near to the like 0.618 to find support, and from there we actually try to pick up a little bit. Who knows, we can even go all the way down to the $18, find support there, and then start moving towards the upside. But at the moment it seems like there is a reason why that it's finding support, and I'm going to show you this line right here. You see, this is where there's a lot of influence. Okay, there's a lot of touches on the weekly time frame, a huge touches right there, some touches right here, and then find support right there. Now it's bouncing off from this place, right? And continuing on, there was this accumulation phases right there. It was being accumulated and then pushed towards the upside. So what can we expect for Atom to come in the next coming few days? Now, taking the fibs level, considering that this was your top right here and this is your bottom right now, just let's say that was your bottom right here, right there. I'm going to take the top here to the bottom for that corrective wave, and now I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, and let's study this one in detail. And just going to zoom in just like that. I'm going to remove this channel because it's disturbing the view. All right, so here we are, and it seems like we find a huge resistance of the $24, which is the 0.236, if you guys can actually see this one. So what I'm expecting for Atom to go is, if this is your bottom right now, and you start moving from the next weeks, slowly you start to reverse the trend in the next coming 2-3 weeks. I do expect $33 in the next coming few days, and if you start to pass the $33, which is going to be a golden ratio right there, it's very simple. I'm looking for a $73 above here in the next coming few weeks, maybe next year, when the bull run starts to resume itself. And that's actually amazing. That's really good. I just want to go into the bird's view as well and see where we were going and how we were moving. So in my opinion, guys, if I just remove these Fibonacci retracements right there, do we have any Elliott wave theory? Like, for example, this was your first wave, second wave. Is this your third wave, or is this your third wave? Now that is something that I actually, suppose this was your third wave and this is your fourth wave, we could have that fifth wave nearly the $73 range right there. Do you understand that? And this might not be the end of Atom. And if you're entering from here, from this price right now, you're going to see a nice lovely 224% increase, because we go in waveforms, up then down, up then down, up then down, and if we go down we come in waveforms as well. So basically the wave, there's one more wave pending, 1 2, this is supposedly your third wave, because the third wave is the larger one, is the biggest one. That's the reason why I can make the case that this is your third wave. Then you have the fourth wave pullback, depending from wherever you go. Now, in order to invalidate this Elliott wave theory, if it starts to go all the way and cross the second wave right here, and then back test it, then that's gonna go for the bear market, okay? And that's really, really, really bad, okay? Really, really bad. And I will start put a big stop loss at the $17 as well. If it starts to lose like 17, I'm actually gonna tone it down a little bit down here, or actually $15 to say the least, or maybe 7, but that's too much. I'm just gonna put it here at this 15, let's say $15, right? So you don't want to lose the $15 right now. If you start to lose the $15, then this is gonna really take you all the way to like that price range right there, $7, and you're gonna have like a more 50% dump. But at the moment it seems like it's finding support here because of this last swing high right there, okay? So I don't think it's gonna dip below like $20 anytime soon. Anything can happen, but at the moment it's looking good to continue towards the upside, okay? On the daily time frame, let's see if there's nice beautiful candles. Now it is making some reversal patterns right now, okay? Now these candles seems to like slow down a little bit and reverse from here and then start to move towards the upside. Now you do know that I'm looking for a $33 or $32, let's say 33. I'm gonna put a horizontal line right there. So this is where I'm looking to find some level of resistance, and that's where the 0.618, which is the golden ratio, also lies in. And that's the update that I wanted to give you about Atom at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this one, small sweet update just for you, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.